Hey guys, it's Ashley. So today I wanted to come on and make a very quick video about some candles I got in. So I just unboxed these from QVC. They are Homeworx candles. I have the caramel apple spiced tea, and then also the country apple butter. So I got these from QVC in the duos. I think they were on kind of like a pre-order, or however they do it. You order them and then they ship at a later date. So I ordered these maybe mid to beginning of August, and I just got them in a couple days ago. So it's kind of going to be a quick little video because I'm not like reviewing these. I'm just kind of sniffing them on cold and telling you what I think. I think you can pre-order these on the Homeworx website, or maybe they will pop back up in QVC, or maybe they are on QVC right now. I'm not positive. I'm not trying to check because I have plenty of candles to get through. So first I'm going to talk about the caramel apple spiced tea. And I think the spiced tea part is throwing me off a little bit because clearly we have caramel apples on the packaging. So the notes are orange spice, red delicious apple, caramel, and clove. The only thing that throws me off is the orange spice. Like, what is that supposed to be? So let's find out. Okay, when I smell the lid, I get more like caramel apple. When I get more into the candle, I definitely get that orange. But now I feel like I'm not getting it. It's like slightly there, but mostly caramel apple. And I don't know if I would say the orange is making it smell like tea. It's kind of just making it smell like oranges. It's very interesting. Like, very right at the top, I get the orange, and then kind of in the background, I get that caramel apple. So I'm probably gonna go for it and like really burn it and see what I think, because why not? I think you can like return these if you end up not liking them. I'm not a really big return person, so it's mostly caramel apple to me on cold. There is a hint of orange though, so if you think that's gonna like extremely bother you, and obviously if you have to get them in the duo, that might influence you as well. But I think you, like I said, might be able to buy these singly on the Homeworx website. This one I have really high hopes for. It's country apple butter, and I'm hoping this lives up to the expectations I have for it because they're high. So this is caramel apple, sweet vanilla, and toasted nut. So, oh yeah, this is good. Oh yeah, this is really good. It's literally caramel apple, but there's like a toastiness to it, like a slight nuttiness, and it's almost a little like toasty, like a roasted nut. Oh, I think this is gonna be a really good one. It's pretty creamy, and it's light on the apple. I would say it's heavier on the caramel than the apple, whereas the other one was more like apple orange than caramel. So if I had to pick out of the two, I personally would pick this one, being a more bakery person myself. However, I think even together they would be really, really nice. But if you're more of a fruit person and less of like the caramel, I would maybe go for this one. This one's more of kind of this green apple like it is here, versus the other one, it's definitely heavy on the caramel, less apple, but maybe more like a red apple, if I'm just giving my first impression off cold sniff. So I wanted to walk through those with you just in case you did have your eye on them at all and you're wondering maybe what the cold notes were. I will go through them, work on them, and then of course do a review here for you guys. But like I said, I have plenty to work through, so I need to get going on those. So thank you so much for spending the last few minutes with me. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye.